Today we're going to talk about the changes to the MSL list, the Managed Systems list with tacmd. At 6.3 Fixed Pack 2, there's been a change to the code to allow an MSL list to exist with no members subscribed to it. So then you can create the list and add the managed systems at a later date. It also allows the last member of an MSL list to be removed and the MSL list still to exist at that stage. So first of all, we will log in to tacmd and then we can run the tacmd commands. And the first command we will write is tacmd create system list. This creates a managed systems list called san_list with a type of NT, which is for the Windows. So it's created the list, and now we can look at the list a number of ways. And the first way is with list systems list. This shows all the MSL lists we have, and it shows SAN list at the bottoms as a Windows OS MSL list. Now if we do tacmd view systems list, with a -L for the list name, this will actually show that there is no systems in the managed systems list because there's no assigned managed systems. We can then add a managed system to this list with tacmd edit systems list. Now with this there's a couple more options you need. One is -A for add and the name of the managed system that you want to add to the list. This has to be the full name of that managed system. You can put a -F on so if you don't want to have this verification. So it's now been updated. So if we do a tacmd view systems list again, you now see we've got the managed system listed. Now you can also remove a managed systems list, managed system from the managed systems list. Means with instead of -A, -D for delete. Again, if the -F is on, you wouldn't get that question. And then if we look at the list again, we find the list is empty. Now this is one way of doing managed systems lists. You can also use the TEPS GUI to work on managed systems lists by using the object group editor. So go into managed systems, and we had a Windows type, so there we go, we can see our san_list. What we're going to do is create a brand new one. So if we do san2_list and type OK, we've got our empty list as before, and we type OK and it's there. So you can see that there is no san2_list being created from the TEPS GUI. This is because the TEPS GUI keeps this MSL list in memory but does not write it to the TEPS tables, and the tacmd command goes to the TEPS tables for the list. However, once you have written a managed system to this list, it will then be written to the TEPS tables. So you can always add a list, add a managed system. So there we go. tacmd is now showing the san2_list. Now if we go back in again via the TEP and we go to that san2 list and we remove that node from the list and OK it again, and we go back to the tacmd list command, it is still there. Now this is provided you are using 6.3 Fixpack 2 or Fixpack 3. At Fixpack 4 there was a change due to another APAR IV61046, about clearing events in a situation event console, especially in the logical workspace. If you do not need this option, and it's not many people that do, there is a new variable that you can set to yes in your config, your TEPS config file, which will allow you to put the behavior back to how it was at Fixpack 2 and Fixpack 3. If this value is not put into the files, when you delete the last managed system from an MSL list in the TEP GUI, it will then delete the MSL list completely from the TEP and the TEMS tables. So the command that you need to type into your TEPS config file is the following. As you can see, it's kf_cmw_remove MSL_member_early equals yes. Once that's in place, it will not remove the MSL list when you remove the last member via the TEP GUI. This and the fact that the TEPS does not write an empty tacmd list when it is first created to the TEMS tables are both being addressed in APAR IV73322.
Thank you for watching this video at the IBM Monitoring Academy. We appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to check the thumbs up box if you appreciated this video. We have added several helpful links to the YouTube comments box below so you can find all our other content on social media. I would definitely recommend that you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.